Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of one of the most luxurious developments in Jamaica. This is the Palm Beach Villas in Runaway Bay. The development is 22 villas on 21 acres of land. And there you can see the beach, one of the nicest beaches you're going to find in Jamaica. Now, Runaway Bay is between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, and you access this development right off the Northern Coastal Highway. So access to it is very easy. Now, these units start at 1.8 million US and go up. Now, the units by the beachfront villas, they're going to build 11 of them, and all of them have access to the beach. And there are 11 units, and they consist of 5 bedrooms, and the square footage is 5,464 feet. Those units start at 2.6 million US. So if you look straight ahead, those are the ones right by the beach. So the beachfront villas is 11. Then you have ocean view villas, which are 6. And then you have the lagoon villas, which are 5. The lagoon villas is 4 bedrooms, and the ocean view villas are 5 bedrooms, and the beachfront villas are also 5 bedrooms. Now, I'm assuming that these units would be perfect for Airbnb rentals because these are villas. There are other developments that don't want Airbnb rentals, but I'm sure this one, I think this development is actually built with Airbnb rentals in mind. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And the units are close to being completed. I would say sometime in 2025. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Have a good day.